Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox, and here is Jonathan. He's always sleeping or complaining about something. Today is day 16 of the carnivore diet. So I'm gonna do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan and track my progress and see how I feel on each lifestyle. I have been discouraged on this diet so far, day 16. I was thinking and expecting that I would feel a lot better by this time. However, I need to celebrate because I had a bowel movement this morning. So that was good. Well, it was small, but small celebrations are in order here. I guess because I'm not eating as much and that I go less, but I feel a little bit better. The body pains eased a little bit. I still feel really bloated. I don't know what I'm doing wrong per se. So I had a lovely conversation with my friend who is a carnivore, Miss Kathy, and she was saying this sounds like I need more fat in my diet. And I agree with her. That rings true. So instead of having cream in my coffee this morning, I had a whole bunch of butter, and it was actually very good. I felt very good after that. And after that, after my 2 cups of coffee with a whole bunch of butter, that's when I had a bowel movement. So I don't know if it works that fast, but anyway, it was a relief, and I really like butter in my coffee. I never would have thought that that would be a thing. That's so weird, but it was good. And then, so that's a relief. And then also I'm determined now not to have dairy for a while or ever. So I had a couple of eggs for breakfast along with some leftover tilapia. It just happened to be in my fridge that needed to be used up, so I had it for breakfast. 2 eggs and a nice fillet of tilapia, so that was good, with lots of butter and salt. So I felt good. And then I met my friend for lunch, and we always go for burgers. So I ordered a burger and bacon, no bun or anything else. And I forgot to take a picture of this or a video of this, but I had a burger and bacon for lunch, and it wasn't very good, to be honest with you. Like, Kathy and I can make better burgers than that. So I'll never go there again. But yeah, it was something. So that's good. And then I didn't do too much exercise today because I was running around. Tomorrow I plan on going swimming. I'm just relieved that, things are kind of moving for me. And I really love the butter and coffee. Really love it. So my mood is a little bit more up because of the movement happening. And maybe we'll start to see some progress. So going forward, Kathy and I were also discussing, for me particularly in my body and challenges, that I should just probably stick with ruminant meat, like beef or lamb, and then stick with eggs and bacon, because it's higher fat, and butter in my coffee. And that really sits well with me. As much as I love dairy and fish and exploring all of the different kinds of ways I can do this diet, I think I need to keep it really simple and pure and see how I do with that. So day 16 is actually, I feel more positive than I have been in a while. So anyway, happy day to you, and I hope you're doing well. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate your support and your kindness, and we'll see you tomorrow.